everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change phone number on Amazon. So for that, open the Amazon account on the Google browser first. Click open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in amazon.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Amazon where you will need to get logged in into the account. But as you can see, I am already logged in into my account of Amazon. So once you have been logged in with the account credential, you need to click on account. Click that. It will direct you to this page of your account, and from here you need to click on login and security. Click that. It will direct you to the login and security page. Here on this page you need to check for primary mobile number. Here you need to click on edit beside it. From here you will be able to change your mobile number for Amazon. This is the previous number that you have on Amazon account. For you to add a new one, you click on this drop down menu and select the country code. Then over here you type in the phone number. Then click on continue. Then click on OK. This way they will send a one-time password to that phone number of yours that you have just input. Once you receive the one-time password in your mobile device, what you need to do is type in that code on this text box over here. As I have already received mine, I'm gonna type in over here on this text box and then click on verify. At the end, you need to type in your Amazon password over here for the final process and then click on save changes. With that, the new number will be get saved to your Amazon account. So this is how you can change phone number in Amazon. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.